weeks now. Man, she got me feeling like I'm weak now. She driving me crazy, crazy. I wanna make her my baby, but I can't, cause I can't bother calling out a test drive. She got me feeling like a child being test time. And I don't mean to rush, and I know it's just love. She got me by the bus. I'm tired of talking on the phone, I'm sick of conversation. I'm coming to your crib, and you already know what it is. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Gonna take your damn clothes off, cause I'm about to blow your back, blow your back, blow your back. You know I'm about to blow your back, okay? Blow your back, blow your back. So I'm just trying to blow your back, blow your back, blow your back. You know I'm trying to blow your back, okay? Blow your back, okay? Blow your back. So
Tell me what's the business? I can't believe I did this. A whole month, no sex. I keep it real, no flex. All I'm saying is what's next. Don't take it out of context. But Doc, let me check. Wanna play construction? Let me wreck. Baby, hold up just a second. You told me you felt neglected, so I'm trying to get you naked to see if the boy can help it. Don't take it as disrespecting, but bump and grind is a blessing. Hey, boy, can spend a night. Well, I was just checking. Is it one to one or more? Use the fingers to one, and I'm moving my dick all in your gut while I'm gripping, grabbing the butt. Skirt hiking with no hut. They're thinking them love cuts. So tell me that I can bless it. I taste it before I tell it.
I'm tired of talking on the phone, I'm sick of conversation. I'm coming to your crib, and you already know what it is. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Gonna take your damn clothes off, cause I'm about to blow your back, blow your back, blow your back. You know I'm about to blow your back, okay? Blow your back, blow your back. So I'm just trying to blow your back, blow your back, blow your back. You know I'm trying to blow your back, okay? Blow your back, okay? Blow your back. So
Tell later, R. Kelly makes sex greater. Joe to see her make a notice. But right now it's time for business. Hate to say this, but
shut up,
I'm really sorry, but
shut up.
cause I've been having good behavior, but it's time I should cut up. Now that's what I like to hear while I'm nibbling on your ear. Clean sex cause it's dripping with shout and chip. Yeah, play by my rules and baby just ahead. And if you shave where my tongue rolls like a good year, I'm probably gonna nose with a lot of fun in your clothes. Let's get freaky, open up that thing right up under your nose. My dick wants to get acquainted with what's in between your thighs. And girl, we way past cake and like pie. So hi,
Cause I'm about to blow that back, blow that back, blow that back. You know I'm about to blow your back, okay? Blow your back, blow your back. So